Welcome to RSL Travel, Leisure, and Food Vlogs. Today we'll be cooking another very easy to prepare, another very easy to cook dish. It's called sinigang na file fish or sinigang na saguksok. Our ingredients will be the following. We have 1 kilogram of saguksok or file fish. We have here some luya or ginger, about 100 grams of ginger. We have garlic, about 8 cloves of garlic crushed. We have here some onions, about 3 medium-sized pieces chopped. We have here some tomatoes, about 3 pieces medium-sized chopped. And we also have here some green chili, which we have cut it diagonally, about 6 to 7 pieces of green chili. Also here we have some black beans, about a can of black beans, which we're going to use later on. We have some spring onions. We also have some seasoning, magic sarap. And of course, we have here some nor sabaw ng sampalok, so sinigang mix with gabi. And of course, we need also some salt to taste. So let us begin cooking. First, we need to throw in the garlic. Then we mix it carefully so that the garlic will be golden brown. Then we throw in the onions. And then the tomatoes. Then the pepper, followed by this one, the ginger. And mix it thoroughly so that it will be golden brown. So after mixing, and when the spices are a little bit golden brown, we may now add the file fish. Then add some salt to taste. Approximately 1 tablespoon of salt to taste, and then mix it properly. Then we will be adding now the seasoning, about 1/2 of the seasoning. Afterwards, we'll be adding the black beans. Take note, only approximately about 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons of the black beans. And then add some water. And allow the fish to boil for about 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. At this point, we will now add the Knorr sinigang mix. Here it is. Sinigang mix with gabi. So let's empty the small pouch here. And the spring onions for the finale. So you have one very delicious file fish or sinigang na sugoksok coming right up. If you like my video, please don't hesitate to hit that like button, smash that bell all notification so you won't miss any of my newly uploaded videos. And subscribe to my channel, of course. Have a great day, everyone. Bon appetit.